Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on UNIHERTZ Sang 3. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls and now click Get Started. Then select Child or Teen and click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And here you have to type in your child's email address and then click Next. And now you have to enter your child's password and then click I agree. Now click on More and Accept. And here you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. And now you have to scroll down. And then click Next. Then click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. And now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.